Hey there, it's Morgan with WTI.
If you want a gorgeous new coaster set for your home, then this set from YumSur is going to do the trick. It is so beautiful. I love all 6 designs that it comes with, along with the case. It is so nice. It looks really great in a lot of different spaces in my home, and I love being able to pick whichever coaster I want because it has all the different designs. These are great because they're ceramic stone, so they're very absorbent. They have that cork on the bottom, so it's heat and scratch resistance, which is awesome. And it is just a really nice set to be able to use anywhere in your home. And having that case that it comes with that it sits in to keep them all together is also really nice. I have been loving having this set in my home and using it for different kinds of drinks. It is so pretty. I love a decorative coaster. This would be great for yourself or for a gift for somebody because they are so versatile and gorgeous. I highly recommend them.
I love this coaster set, and that's my point of view.